welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to share my location, your location in Instagram. And the first step is go to the official application of Instagram. And in your feed, the only thing you need to do is pick here in the option of search. And in this option, you need to go here in the option of share, and you need to type in your location. Like here, you put here, for example, Valencia, and you pick here, and you need to pick here in places. So here in places, you need to choose your direction. For example, here, Valencia, Estado Carabobo, you pick here. And after that, the only thing you need to do to finish this process is pick here in the option of send of Instagram, and you can send to the person who you want to send this location, and that's it. This is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.